Retire like a genius.
How to become a long-term care genius. Understanding types of care. Senior living and long-term care is a complicated mix of care providers and environments, eligibility and financial requirements, and personal preferences. People take for granted that they understand the various options and how to navigate the system if they have a need. But once they're engaged in the process, people can soon become overwhelmed trying to understand the differences between what types of care can be administered at home or in a facility, and then how to pay for it all. What are the differences between skilled care received at home or in a nursing home? What are the differences between memory care and assisted living? What are the differences between hospice and palliative care? Understanding these differences and how the progression of care often works is critical as a family begins their unique journey. Home care is what almost everyone prefers, and this is often where things will begin with levels of care such as non-medical companion care, home health care, skilled private duty nursing care, and family-assisted home care support. Assisted living provides assistance with the loss of some ADLs and provides a structured living environment when remaining at home is no longer the best option. Assisted living residents will receive meals and social engagement, private apartments, mobility assistance, personal care plans, and adult daycare. Memory care is the right choice for advancing stages of cognitive decline, such as dementia and Alzheimer's, which are uniquely designed to provide 24/7 security and safety measures, specially trained staff, specially designed floor plans, and cognitive-specific programs. Skilled care is for advancing stages of loss of ADLs, such as mobility, toileting and bathing, feeding, or advanced cognitive decline. Skilled care offers daily medical treatments and therapy provided by licensed medical practitioners. It can be delivered at home or in an assisted living community, but it is most often provided in a skilled nursing home or rehabilitation center. Hospice and palliative care is for advanced disease treatment or end-of-life care. Palliative care is delivered with advanced stage conditions and ongoing disease treatments. Hospice care is delivered after treatments are no longer effective to focus instead on pain management and providing support at the end of life. Once you have determined the best form of care, the next step is understanding how to pay for it all. Home care is primarily private pay. Assisted living is primarily private pay. Memory care is primarily private pay. Rehabilitation care can be partially covered by Medicare for up to 100 days. Skilled nursing home care is primarily Medicaid. And hospice and palliative care is primarily Medicare or private pay. Knowing the differences between the forms of long-term care, where and by whom they are provided, and how to pay for it are the keys to successfully caring for someone who has lost the ability to care for themselves alone.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.